And welcome back. Let's get off the blocks with athletics. Legendary sprinter Shelly and Fraser-Pryce maintained her record-extending streak over 100 meters to highlight 3 Jamaican victories at Wednesday's Monaco Diamond League meet. Spencer Darlington has our summary.
5-time world 100-meter champion Shelly and Fraser-Pryce produced another imperious performance in Monaco, stamping her authority from the get-go and was never headed. The time was rounded up to 10.62 seconds, extending her record streak of sub-10.70 clockings to 8 overall, and the 6th occasion she was going under that time this season. This new world-leading mark by the 35-year-old sprinter was also just 200ths of a second off her personal best. World Championship silver medalist and compatriot Sharika Jackson also produced a big performance, recording a personal best 10.71 seconds for the runner-up spot. Commonwealth Games 4th place finisher Rochelle Clayton was also among the winners, landing the women's 400-meter hurdles. Clayton posted a personal best 53.33 seconds to get the better of countrywoman and Com Games champion Genevieve Russell, who logged the season's best 53.52 seconds. The third Jamaican victory on the day was recorded by national record holder Natoya Gould, who made up for her World Championships and Com Games disappointment in the women's 800 meters. Gould ran a well-executed race to clock her season's best 1 minute 56.98 seconds, making her the 4th fastest over the distance this year. Elsewhere, World Championship finalist Candice McLeod did a season's best 49.87 seconds to finish second in the women's 400 meters, where fellow Jamaicans Stephanie McPherson and Janelle Bromfield were 4th and 6th respectively in times of 50.52 and 50.93 seconds, a season's best effort for Bromfield. The event was won by world and Olympic champion Shawnee Miller-Weibo in 49.28 seconds. World Championship silver medalist Shanika Ricketts cut the sand at 14.91 meters for second in the women's triple jump, won by world record holder Olympic and world champion Yulimar Rojas with 15.01 meters. On the men's side, Olympic champion Hansel Parchment had to settle for 3rd in the 110-meter hurdles in a season's best 13.08 seconds, with the event going to world champion Grant Holloway in a season's best 12.99 seconds. The next Diamond League meeting is set for Lausanne on August 26. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.